Hello everyone. Introduce myself. I am Citra Maharani. I am a student of English Literature. In this video, I would like to explain about previewing and predicting in reading English text. When we read an English text, sometimes we feel confused or find it difficult to understand the meaning. This usually happens because there are many unfamiliar words or the text is quite long. However, there are some strategies that can help us understand the text more easily. Two of these strategies are previewing and predicting. These strategies are very useful because they help readers understand the main idea of the text before reading it in detail. First, I will explain about previewing. Previewing is a reading strategy where we look at the text quickly before reading it thoroughly. The purpose of previewing is to get a general idea about what the text is. When we do previewing, we do not read every word of the text. Instead, we focus on some important part of the text. For example, we can look at the title of the text. The title usually as the main topic that will be discussed. We can also look at headings and subheading. This part can help us understand how the text is organized. Another thing, we can look at picture, charts, or illustrations. This visual can give us clue about the content of the text. In addition, we can pay attention to keywords, bold words, or italic words because they often highlight important information. Sometimes reading the first paragraph and the last paragraph can also help us understand the main idea of the text. By doing previewing, readers can get a general understanding of the text before reading it more carefully. The second strategy is predicting. Predicting means making a guess about what the text will tell about or what might happen next in the text. We make predictions based on the information we see before or during reading. For example, if we see the title, The Effects of Social Media on Teenagers, we can predict that the title discusses how social media influence teenagers, maybe both positive and negative effects. Pictures can also help us make predictions. For instance, if we see a picture of melting ice in the Arctic, we might predict that the text will discuss global warming or climate change. Our background knowledge also plays an important role in predicting. If we already know something about a topic, it will be easier for us to guess the possible content of the text. While reading, our predictions might be correct, but sometimes they can also change when we find new information in the text. This is normal and it helps us think more actively while reading. Previewing and predicting have several benefits for readers. First, the strategy helps readers understand the text more easily because they already have an idea about the topic before reading. Second, they make readers more active and engaged during the reading process. Third, they help readers save time, especially when reading long texts, because readers can focus on the most important information. Finally, this strategy can help improve reading comprehension, especially when reading English text. In conclusion, previewing and predicting are important strategies in reading English text. Previewing helps us look at the text quickly to get a general idea of the topic, while predicting helps us guess the content of the text based on clues such as title, pictures, and keywords. By using this strategy, reading English text can become easier, faster, and more effective. That is all my explanations about previewing and predicting in reading English text. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.